Hello everyone, in this video we are going to study about the decide any products, analyze its good and bad features. So let's start. First one, introduction. A drilling machine comes in many shapes and size, for small handheld power drills to bench mounted and finally floor mounted models. Second one, they can perform operation other than drilling such as counter sinking, counter boring, reaming and tapping, large or small holes. Because the drilling machines can perform all of this operation, this chapter will also cover the type of drill bits to can shop formulas for setting up each operation. Third one, safety plays a critical part in any operation involving power equipment. This chapter will cover procedure for servicing, maintaining and setting up the work, proper methods of selecting tools and work holding devices to get the job done safely without causing damage to the equipment, yourself or someone nearby. Next, diagram of drilling machine. Next point is aim of micro project. First one, to study all information about good features and bad features of CNC drilling machines. Second one, to study all information of drilling machine. Next point is literature review. Drilling processes are widely used in aerospace, aircraft and automotive industries. Although modern metal cutting methods have improved in the manufacturing industry like electron beam machining, ultrasonic machining, electrolytic machining and abrasive jet machining, conventional drilling machine is still the most common machining processes. On the other hand, in drilling machine, cutting fluids are used to lubricate the process and reduce the effects of high temperature. In the last few years, environment problems had forced the development of cutting fluids of low environment impact in order to minimize the uses of cutting fluid. The reason why this lubricate needs to be minimized the uses because it will be cause hazard and also will be difficult to dispose the lubricate or coolant. Good dimensional accuracy and fine surface integrity both are desired for finished product. Coolant plays the major role to bring all the elements within acceptable limits by reducing temperature. Large amount heat is produced during machining which leads to high cutting zone temperature. Next point name is brief description of micro project. Point name, good features of drilling machining. First one, cordless and corded drills. Cordless drill is the best option for you if you that kind of person who intends to try the do it yourself project. It is light in weight, easy to use and safe to be used almost anywhere in your home. Second one, chuck. The chuck is the section that holds the different bits of a drilling machine together. You have the freedom to choose for various size and types of chucks. Third one, reverse. The reverse feature is designed to help you remove the bits that gets stuck while drilling. Fourth one, variable speed. Variable speed is an essential feature especially if you intend to use your drilling machine for driving screw. And last one, torque. This is a must have features if you will be driving screw with the aid of clutch. You can set an optional torque point beyond which the drilling machine stops. Next point is bad features in drilling machine. First one, there will be more times for circulation because the driller's methods require 2 times of circulation. The first circulation is to remove influx and the second circulation is to kill the well. And second one, it will be generate higher surface pressure and shoe pressure than wet and wet method. And last one, oil and gas drilling is a dirty business. Next point, actual procedure follows. First of all, I ask our project about our project. Next point is actual procedure follows. First of all, I ask our project guide about our project. Next, I went in cyber cafe for collect the information. Then I started the making of the project. Then we took all information about our project. I visited website types of drilling machine. Next, I collected the all information about good and bad features of drilling machine. I went in cyber cafe for typing our project and my micro project is done. Outputs of micro project. First one, decide any products and analyze its goods and bad points. Skill develop learning outs of this micro project. First one, working on subject topic, develop working skill, I learn about subject, topic and that increase my knowledge. Also communication skill is developed. Applications of micro project. First one, origination and enlargement of existing state through or step holes of different diameter and depth in wide range of work materials. This is the general or common use of drilling machine. And next one, making rectangular sections slot by using slot drills having 3 or 4 floats and 1800 cone angles. Next one, boring after drilling for accuracy and finish or prior to reaming. Last one, counter boring, counter sinking, chamfering or combination using suitable tools. Next point is area of future improvement. Machine learning process should be introduced. Next, program writing through the scan drawing. Reference www.drillingmachine.com. Thank you so much for listening.